Remove excess humidity with the Dri Eaz 1200 Portable Dehumidifier. This workhorse dehumidifier is a convenient size and removes up to 18 gallons of water per day in areas where excess humidity is a problem. Easy to store and transport, the 1200 can come to the rescue where leaks or spills leave moisture behind. Start by removing as much standing water as possible. Place the dehumidifier in the damp area. Be sure not to block the air intake and outlets. Always operate the dehumidifier in an upright position in an enclosed area. Make sure all windows and doors are closed. Remove the power cord from the cord wrap on top of the unit, then insert the pronged plug into a grounded outlet on a 15 amp circuit. The dehumidifier uses 6.4 amps. Next, unwind the clear drainage hose. Put the open end of the hose securely in a sink, toilet, tub, or out a door. Position it anywhere water can safely drain out that's less than 20 feet above the dehumidifier. Make sure the hose is not kinked or clogged. Turn the dehumidifier on. The display usually shows a delay message and performs a numeral countdown as the machine warms up. If you don't see a countdown, the dehumidifier is ready to run. Use other control panel buttons to purge the pump, to scroll through different screen displays, or to clear a display. Water and moisture collected is automatically pumped out through the drain hose, so there's no water receptacle to empty. While operating the dehumidifier, if you see an ER9 code displayed, the hose is likely kinked or blocked. If the room temperature is below 60 degrees Fahrenheit, you may want to consider adding heat to promote proper drying. Once drying is complete, turn the dehumidifier off, but leave it plugged in for 10 minutes to drain water from the internal coils. Then press the purge key to remove the last water from the pump. Once complete, disconnect the power cord and drain hose and rewrap them, being careful not to kink the hose. For most flood-damaged areas, use a Dri Eaz dehumidifier with Dri Eaz air movers for faster, more efficient drying. The air mover promotes evaporation from wet materials, and the dehumidifier removes the moisture from the air to allow materials to truly dry.